Presenting Redmi Note 12 5G smartphone. It comes in matte black, frosted green and mustique blue colors. The Note 12 combines Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 6nm octa-core 5G, Adreno 619 GPU for fast and efficient performance for the task at hand. You can choose between 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM and 4GB RAM or 6GB RAM with 128GB ROM size variants depending on your usage. It supports dual 5G nano SIM. Now let us look at its full HD Plus AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz, 1200 nits peak brightness and 240Hz touch sampling rate and 1080 by 2400 resolution, designed for immense visual experience. The 48-megapixel AI triple camera with 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and 13-megapixel front camera helps you capture the world on the go. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh and 33 watts fast charger in box and Type-C connectivity. The box includes the Redmi Note 12 5G, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case and screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.